This Tim Albright with AVNation with the Road to ISE. Integrated Systems Europe happens the 4th through the 7th of February in Barcelona. And with me to talk about HIKVISION and their stand is Jiaqi Leclercq. Welcome, ma'am.
Hi, Tim. Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. Thank you. You guys are over in Hall 3 H420, 3H420. Jiaqi, what will we find in the HIKVISION stand?
So this year will be HIKVISION's 8th time participating at ISE, and we are really excited to showcase our latest commercial display innovations for different scenarios, including enterprise, education, retail, event, and so on. So, Tim, you may know that HIKVISION was the first company in the LED industry receiving the Turf Highland certification. So, as our commitment to a more sustainable development, we're bringing all our green solutions to ISE, including an 8K COB LED screen. And apart from that, we're also showcasing the new generation of LED cabinet that is compatible with the 3 LAN boards technology. So that's SMD, COB, and HOB, which is the HIKVISION glue on board. And this is an absolute game changer because that means distributors and system integrators, they don't need to store different LED cabinets models for different LAN board technologies. They just need to store one. That's significant reduction of storage. And it's easier to upgrade and cheaper if we do that for the end user. Regarding the rental screen, we will have a large amount of product to showcase, and we are also showcasing the new interactive flat panel, the HIKVISION Wonder Hub. But of course, that's not all. Our booth is packed with exciting new products and interactive experiences for all our visitors. As we have a strong sales presence in Europe, we have prepared multiple booth tours in 6 European languages so that we make sure that everyone has a good experience at our booth together with other surprises.
Jiaqi, you mentioned something there about the sustainability, and forgive my this is not me being silly. I'm really curious here. How does HIKVISION and a direct view LED company in general, how do you make LED sustainable?
There are several factors that contribute to the sustainability of our LED products. So first, that's for sure the components and the technologies inside the LED products that can significantly reduce the power consumption to almost 50%. And secondly, I would say, as we are a manufacturer, we control every single step in the fabrication, including very strict quality test, so that we make sure that our products, our LED products, has longer durability. And lastly, I would say it's all about our products' repairability. So, for example, we know the glue on boards, it's more durable than SMD, right? But when it's damaged, repairing the LAN boards is actually much more complicated and more expensive. But the good news is we are introducing the HIKVISION glue on board repair machine. So, well, when you go to ISE, you will meet many LED exhibitors, yes, but you can only find one repairing machine on our booth, and all our visitors will be able to see it working live in a clean room directly anytime during the whole show.
That is definitely something to go see, because I've never seen one before in my life. Jiaqi, you guys are in Hall 3 H420, 3H420. Not everybody gets to go to ISE, so if they're not going and they want to follow along with everything that HIKVISION is talking about, how do they do that?
Everything can be found on our website if you go on display.hikvision.com. And I will also suggest you to follow us on LinkedIn. We are very present. The account name is HIKVISION Commercial Displays, so that you get connected to all our innovations and upcoming events.
All right, very good. Jiaqi Leclercq from HIKVISION, thank you so much. For us, for AVNation, go by our website, avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv, and follow along as we also head to Barcelona for ISE 2025, the 4th through the 7th of February. All that and more at avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.